Hello student, welcome to our history class. From last video we starting the second lesson of civics, diversity in society. From last video we starting the second lesson, diversity in society. We complete up 2 point, diversity is our strength and the principle of secularism. Now let us start the 2.3, the contribution of society to our development. Our third point is the contribution of society to our development. What is the contribution of society to our development? What do we learn by living in a society? What do we learn by living in society? What values, qualities do we imbibe? Let us see how society helps to develop our personality. Next point is cooperation. All societies are based on mutual cooperation between individuals and the community. All society are based on mutual each other cooperation between individuals and community. The very existence of the society depends on cooperation between individuals. Cooperation is the process of sharing, helping each other in solving problems and removing difficulties. What is meant by cooperation? Cooperation is the process of sharing and helping each other, sharing and helping to each other in solving problems, to solve their problems with the help of sharing and helping and removing difficulties. A family cannot remain together without an attitude of cooperation among its members. A family cannot remain together without an attitude of cooperation among its members. The same is true of society. The same is true of society. Lack of cooperation hampers our progress. Day-to-day life will also not run smoothly. Cooperation makes interdependence in society healthier and allow inclusion of everybody in the society. It is process of conclusion and of moving ahead, taking along all sections of society. Let us discuss. We must cooperate with efforts aimed at the education and development of girls and weaker and deprived section of our society. For this purpose, obtain information about the relevant government scheme. Discuss in class what you can do for the development of this section of our society. Share the important point from your discussion with students of other class. Our next point is tolerance and understanding. In this point, students just as their cooperation in the society. What is meant by cooperation? In last point we complete the cooperation is the process of sharing and helping each other in solving problems and removing difficulties. Just as there is cooperation in the society, so also at times there can be differences of opinion, disputes and conflicts. Disputes and conflicts arise when there is a lack of agreement in the opinions, ideas and views of the people. Disputes and conflicts arise when there is a lack of agreement in the opinion, ideas and views of the people. Prejudice or misconception about each other can also lead to conflicts. However, it is in nobody's interest to keep conflict going for a long time. It is nobody's interest to keep a conflict going for a long time. People find a way to resolve conflicts through compromise and understanding. Some people are very simple, they compromise and understanding. Thus, a conflict can end if people make efforts to understand each other and show the spirit of tolerance. An understanding attitude leads to a lot of new learning. We accept new ideas. This helps to further enrich our social life. We become more tolerant. Society provides us the opportunity to learn this simple method of maintaining well-being and peace in society. In this paragraph, an understanding attitude leads to a lot of new learning. Understanding attitude leads to a lot of new learning in the society. We accept new ideas. Some ideas. This helps to further enrich our social life. We become more tolerant. Society provides us opportunity to learn this simple method of maintaining well-being and peace in society. With the help of society, we learn this simple method of maintaining well-being and peace in society. Here complete our some points. The contribution of society to our development, cooperation, tolerance and understanding.